Here's today's mortgage update. Interest rates are higher. 28 million families want to buy this year. Only about 3 to 4 million will buy this year in 2023. And guys, there's less inventory. That means higher competition for properties. For all those of you that are waiting or pushing to get this, that, and the other just because you think interest rates are high, you're probably missing out on some properties, guys. And I want to remind you that about 63%, 64% of all the families that own homes right now in the United States, okay, have a lower interest rate than a 4%. This means a lot of families are sitting because they have a very low payment. Some actually have lower payments than the current rents out there right now. So why would they sell? Or why would they let that property go back? Keep this in mind as well. About 80% of the homeowners right now have a lower interest rate than 5%. All right. Hope this helps. Have a fantastic day. Reach out if you need anything.